What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tech Now. Today we're back with another video. Woo! If you are new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free. I already know. It's been forever since I did an intro. Y'all miss me? I know I've been seeing all the comments. Girl, you still have a phone case business? Let us know what is going on. What is tea? But I'm here to let you guys know I got a new baby. A 3D printer, y'all. It is so cute. I got the bamboo P1S and I'm addicted to pink filament, clearly. But let me tell you, once you get a 3D printer, you're gonna be addicted to buying filament, all kind of color filaments. Currently, I don't have a space to put my filament as yet, so it's just all over the place. But I need to get a shelf or something for it. But these are all my filaments. Clearly, I love pink and I'm addicted to pink, so most of my filaments are different shades of pink. But I currently have nothing printing right now, but this thing is always on go, like 24/7. And I made these, actually designed and made these Cruise Girl keychains. They're a representation of where I'm from, so I made those. Let me just show you guys some other stuff I printed. So y'all see these Lowe's buckets? Did you guys go grab it? So cute. I took the logo off of them, but first I created this, which is another representation from where I'm from. So this is a tic-tac-toe game board. It was inspired by this print I have here, and as you guys know, I do not sell luxury items, so I had to revamp that, because if you don't know my story, go check out the pin video. That's that. And then somebody else created the file for this and I just printed it. This is a creek cut holder, and then I printed this cute little jar thing. I also use this. Sometimes it be having stragglers on your 3D print and you have to burn it off. Let me show you. Yeah, don't mess with me. That thing gets some power. And then I made this box. It didn't really come out as good. The back of it a little shaggy, but I just keep all my scraps in here. These are all, I'm a perfectionist, so anything that doesn't look too good that can be sent out gets thrown in this box, really. That's about, this is the same Cruise Girl keychain in a different color. Use my nails too, y'all. I need to get it done. And I also created this straw topper as another representation of where I'm from. And I've been telling y'all for years, make sure when you're doing custom items, it can be personalized and it might be something that somebody actually wants. Don't just get generic phone cases and stuff like that. All the custom stuff sells pretty well, so I definitely recommend that yet again to you guys to get that. And this is my cute desk. If you haven't watched my desk, my pink desk tour, make sure you go and watch it. And I also printed out these storage boxes, and this is a shelf for it. It's in here and it actually opens and closes. And I also printed this Game Boy AirPod case. Somebody else created this file, but it was too cute not to print out. Let me show you guys it. Cute. Let me see what else we can be. Let's pack some orders. Let's see how much orders I have. I'm gonna turn the camera this way because I don't feel like editing out people's names and ish. The girl barely wants to edit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders to do. And they all ordered this Cruise Girl keychain, which is so cute. Excuse my nails, like I said before, y'all. And then the Cruise Girl keychain is $7.99, which I think is a low ball in myself, but I just wanted to get out there and see if the girls like it, and they did. And it comes in this cute custom box with my logo on it. If you remember this box, those boxes almost ran out, so I might have to think of something else to put them in currently. But let's pack these orders, and I miss y'all though. Comment down below if you still have your phone case business, or if you still have a business in general. Let me know how you gotta change up your business, because this market is crazy. You always have to come up with something new to keep on top and keep the traction going. So I also have this retro girl, you all over the place, I know. I also have this retro camera, which is so cute. I got it from Walmart. I'll link it down below if you guys want it. It is so nice. Let me see if I remember how to turn it on. Oh, it might be dead. No, it's not. It is so cute. All for my memories. I'm looking at my table and I'm like, how am I not Pinterest famous yet? Because this setup is bomb. I'm gonna link everything I have on my table down below. And I got these. This is not focus. This is not a desk review. Okay, let's pack these orders and I'll update you guys some more later. All right, let's pack this first order, and it is a purple Cruise Girl keychain. So what I do is just look at it and make sure that it looks good enough to be sent out. or else it going in a junk box, because I don't play that. Looks good enough, so put it in here, and then I'm going to just tape off little studs. You think I have this down pat. Oh my god, my nails is so bad. But this is the purple one I have for her. And then I'm also including these strap toppers in here for free, because I was gonna sell these, but you had to write a license for it since somebody else created it. So I can just include them in the packages for free. And then the strap peppers, let me grab another one, didn't touch up. Strap peppers go in this little baggie here. This is what the keychains really need to be in since $79, but girl, that's real low for you. I know. But this is it here. I still use these boxes here from Uline. I just love sending my stuff in a box because it just screams like, I don't know, luxury. Really, I send my stuff in a bubble mailer. Get some bubble wrap, pink of course. And then we're gonna print out this order. I already know the weight of this since I packed so much already. So it's gonna be like 5 ounces. And this is going to need a new label printer so bad. The one I have be annoying me. It just don't be working how I want it to work. So let's print this out. Let's see if it gonna work. Nope, and it doesn't. See? I always have to do some trick back here. I have to unplug it and plug it back in and then turn it on and off. Y'all like my cup? I got this from Sage. What is it? Sage? I can put her name above the screen. I should bedazzle this cup for my money. But let's package this up and then we can go from there. So I just like to double check it. I was going to buy a stamp that says fulfilled by and then have the person who fulfilling the order sign there. But fulfilled is by only me. And it's free. Topper in there. And then I like to include my thank you note, which is so cute. Just nothing coming out. This is my thank you. Super cute. Got a promo code on there, so screenshot it. I have anxiety, so I have to check the name 50 times. Yes, and I actually like to take a picture with the shipping label on what they bought so I can know for a record for me in case any chargebacks happening. But that's all packed up and ready to go, girl. We got a few more to go. So this probably gonna be sped up and you guys probably gonna watch me pack. And then, should I end it here? I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do my outro. I don't know, vlogging is hard now. Do people still watch YouTube? I hope y'all watch my video. Anyway, let me finish packing these orders and then I'll get back in touch with you guys. This person actually ordered the pink and purple one, which is a new color I've been offering, which is so cute. I'm not a purple girly, but it's cute. I'll give it that. Like this purple one is my least favorite. But I have a best friend, she loves purple and I love pink, so like 2 peas in a pod. And this pink and purple one is packed up, ready to go. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching a girl video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know any other video ideas you might want me to do. I might be coming back to YouTube. Who knows? But for now, you can follow me on TikTok at TechWhatNot and at Taylor Tech Shop if you want to check out my business page. What else? Let me know if you want to do videos. Some video ideas I have is me actually making the 3D printing, actually making the 3D design, print it out, and stuff like that. Right now, as I said, my baby right now is resting because she needs some serious rest because I had her running. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.